Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Mike Will at M.Visuals. I'm a creative photographer based in London, known for my night photography. In this video, we're going to be going over creating content in a low light setting for this Halloween, using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. I'm going to be capturing a ghostly figure's journey through the streets of London using different camera modes available on the phone. I'm going to set the scene with the ghostly figure's silhouette in this tunnel. As there's less light, I'll be using night mode on the Galaxy Z Flip 3. With the help of flex mode, I can shoot a steady shot without using a tripod. I want to give the impression of chasing a ghostly figure by using movement. I used Pro mode with a shutter speed of half a second and turned on the grid lines to help me frame my shot. Keeping the phone steady, I rocked forwards and backwards to create motion blur. Summon your ghost. Again, I'm using Pro mode with half a second shutter speed. Using a tripod to eliminate shake, I captured the ghostly figure moving down the stairs. This movement creates a ghostly effect. Having RAW enabled gives me more flexibility and information when editing later. I'm now creating a spectral portrait in Pro mode. With the help of dual preview, the model can see themselves in the front screen and adjust their position. Adding colored light will make the image more dramatic. We have finished up our ghostly Halloween journey shooting on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 using modes such as Pro mode and night mode. Here are the final images.